Just got some plants from HEB. I'm gonna make a little garden for them. I found a little spot right there beside our house where the sun hits pretty good, because most of the plants that I have, they need full sun. It took a little while, and I didn't stop until it was done. I made sure to get a lot of angles of how I was doing it and where I was doing it at. It took me a while to get all these weeds up from the ground, so I had to even use a weed puller. I finally got most of the weeds out, and I started getting what was left of some rubber mulch we had beside the house. I made sure to filter it out to keep some good dirt. It took about 3 days in between jobs to get everything done. See, when we filtered it out, it's got nice dirt, nothing in it. I finally got all the rubber mulch out, filtered it out, and I started laying down the barrier, which was mixed with some topsoil that I had also bought from HEB. I started creating the barrier for where I was going to put my little garden, and I made sure that it was all evenly spread out. I placed my plants where I wanted them to go the next morning. Then I got ready to plant my new garden. I put them all in the hole, and I made sure that they were all water jetted in so that the roots would cling on to the soil. See, all it takes is a little patience, time, water, and sunshine. You can have your own garden too. And there it is. All of them are in the ground. We just water and grow. Here's my little garden. Now this is 1 month and 2 weeks. That's my jalapeno, my pepino pepper. That's lemon basil. That's serrano peppers right there. And that's my tomato plant. Then we have my pineapple that you've seen in my other video. This is my spearmint peppermint. Now unfortunately, my banana peppers died because they were too small when I put them in there. My peppers are already got peppers on them. Doing real nice, real nice. And this one right here is trying to grow some.